Hi guys, welcome to Cara Motorhomes. We have a Rapido 656 in stock. This vehicle is a 2.3 a 140 brake horsepower. It's right hand drive. It has cruise control, aircon in the cab, Remus blinds, reversing camera, DAB radio, etc. Towards the rear of the vehicle, it comprises of 4 safety belts and it will sleep 4 people as well. So this is a drop down and electric bed. There is a ladder and also there are safety nets located at either side of the bed, and you have an island bed here at the rear. With regards the seating, because they're side facing seats, again on this vehicle it opens up the kitchen area. It's quite spacious around here. Like that, you have a kind of a larder type press on this vehicle as well. From an appliances point of view, it's your regular, I suppose, 3-ring hob, your oven and grill, and again you have an AS fridge freezer here that will work off of your gas and your electric. The heating system, it's the Truma iNet system. It will work off of your mains and gas. Towards the rear of the vehicle here, there is a sliding door, so again it will just give some privacy within the vehicle. And it's a panel as opposed to a curtain. Okay. With regards the bedroom area, so here you can see that it's an island bed. It's an island bed slightly tapered to one side. The reason for this is obviously it'll make the vehicle just that bit shorter. Your toilet and shower is located here on the right hand side in the corner. Okay. With this bed you'd have storage space underneath, which is quite accessible, and then that compartment there at the back, that is all your garage space, which is accessible from the outside. Again, you have a good size wardrobe space. Here is your sink, like that. There's just a little cover, nice detail, and this side will slide, so you do have another window here in the vehicle also. So in here you can see that it is the all-in-one toilet and shower compartment. Thanks for watching guys, that was just a quick summary on this vehicle. So again, it's a Rapido 656F. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us.